I'm here today with Juan Carlos Spencer from the Chilean Electronic Stock Exchange. So welcome to Nasdaq.
Thank you very much.
Can you just tell our audience a little bit about your exchange and kind of what your mission and strategy is for those who might not know as much about you?
Chilean Electronic Stock Exchange was born in 1989. It's the first full electronic exchange in Chile and in Latin America. We introduced the technology to our security market in Chile, and we are, in this moment, we are planning to expand our business outside of our country.
That's fantastic. Being that technology is obviously core to your business, I mean, how does that really help you drive your ambitions and your strategy forward?
Well, I think our heart is the technology, and I think all our business is to introduce technology in the market, security markets, or in new markets. For example, we create a new commodity exchange in Chile. The name is Bolsa de Productos, and introduce technology in the new sector of the economy.
I mean, obviously, you have a choice when you're choosing a systems provider. I mean, can you tell us a little bit about the past on what you were using and maybe why you started looking at Nasdaq solutions, as you've been a customer for quite some time now?
Well, in the first, we was create our own technology. The name is Electro. In that moment, we create the technology. It's a new technology in Chile, and I think in Latin America, to possible to introduce the trade for the security. It's a full electronic. It's a very nice technology.
Right.
But when you look the world, you need another type of technology. You need a world-class technology. And in this moment, with the people of technology of the exchange, we look around the world, what is the best technology? And in that moment, we are very comfortable with speak with Nasdaq. And because we are full electronic exchange with the same idiom, in terms of the technology, the view of the market, the regulation, and all the aspects. And in this moment, we are very close with Nasdaq. We closed the deal with Nasdaq. Yep. We are very amazing to introduce the technology, but most important is the times. When you look the schedule, when I signed the contracts, we signed 1 year and 2 months, and it's complete in terms of the time and in terms of the money. This is very important when you start a new technology a new technology project. When you take the decision, our board said, you're sure 1 year and 2 months, and you're sure with the amount of the money invest, but I complete in both sides. It's very successful project, and I'm very happy.
That's fantastic to hear that the implementation went well, so we're happy to hear that. Now, in terms of your future, I mean, what do you see? What's next?
Well, when you look the future now in terms of the market, the security market, you have two ways of change. One is the technology, to introduce new technology in new markets. And another is to connect to the world. Today it's necessary to connect to the world. And our technology, the Nasdaq technology, is very easy to connect with the world. It's possible today to connect with the big DMAs in the States, to put orders and trade in Chile directly to the States. This is because we have a very strong technology.
And I assume that's very important for your members that connect to you as well.
Yeah, because have a new business, new clients, is very amazing.
That's great. So just before I leave you today, I wanted to find out what are some things that you'd like the world to know about you? What do you want your members to know about you?
Well, in first time, I think the most important is to know the country. Chile is a very serious country to have invest. We are a very regulated market. We are very serious. It's possible to have introduced in different ways. We are very leaders in terms of the producer of Cooper in the world. We are the first. We are the first in produce salmon, for example.
Right.
And the Chilean wine is very good too, and the country is beautiful. But in terms of the business, I think the most important is a very good country to attract investors. And the idea of Bolsa Electrónica is have a vehicle to attract that invest.
That's fantastic. Well, thank you so much for being here today.
Thank you, Kelly.